It's all about the AI, you feel me? Look, there's no more of like, I have to go talk to this person. It's all about that AI, bro. That's exactly how you're gonna get stuff done. But what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Hector over here at H2O Auto Detail Supplies in Covina, California. Back to you with another banger video. Today we're gonna detail another dirty car like this, but to be exactly, we're not gonna do it our steps. We're gonna do it with what we've learned. We're gonna use AI to tell us exactly how to get this wash done properly. Is it gonna be right? Is it gonna be the way I do it? Who knows? Let's go ahead and ask AI, but first let's pull the car back in where we detail the cars and see you then. Literally driving itself. So before we get started, we're gonna go ahead and ask AI exactly what supplies we need. And we're at our favorite store, H2O, over here in Covina. But it looks like we need...
You'll need car wash soap, a bucket, microfiber towels, a sponge or wash mitt, a hose, wheel cleaner, tire brush, glass cleaner, interior cleaner, upholstery brush, vacuum cleaner, and wax or polish.
So now that we went ahead and picked out our supplies, and I did have some of them back here, we're gonna go ahead and ask exactly how to detail a car step by step.
Start with the exterior. Rinse the car thoroughly to remove loose dirt and debris. Mix the car wash soap with water in a bucket and use the sponge or wash mitt to wash the car's exterior, starting from the top and working your way down. Rinse the sponge or mitt frequently.
All right, so we're gonna go and start with the first step. Yeah. Typically, what I like to use is the foam cannon, but we'll do it their way. I used to be washing cars like this, right? No foam cannon, just putting soap in a bucket, and it was cool. I still had some clients that always asked me to do it this way. I guess when they would explain it to me why they wanted it that way was because the foam cannon just puts foam all over the car, and some people would miss spots. And I guess with this way, you would know definitely where you touched and just by seeing the soap there. But it definitely does take a little bit longer, and I could only imagine how it could be an issue if you weren't in a shaded area. Oh no, I don't like washing this way. But I know some people still do wash it like this. I usually love seeing the foam on there. Looks all nice. Pre-wash before I even get started on it, because the water, the rinse is definitely not enough. Sometimes there's stuff that's embedded onto it that won't just come off with water. Imagine you scrubbing it, you're gonna be scratching the vehicle.
Use a wheel cleaner and tire brush to clean the wheels and tires.
So from here, it wants us to actually clean the wheels. The issue is that I spent all that time doing the body, that soap is gonna dry on me though. But it wants me to do the wheels first before I rinse it.
Rinse the entire car again to remove any soap residue.
The issue is, if you see, look, it told me to rinse it after, but all this soap's dry. Shouldn't be an issue since we're in the shade, but imagine.
Dry the car using microfiber towels to prevent water spots.
Just wants us to dry it before we get any water spots. Joke's on them, because we actually use spot-free water. That's very key for anybody that's detailing in the business. You want to try to get spot-free water. I know out here in California, there's a lot of stores you could go to that you can fill up water, as well as we do sell water too. But if you don't have that access, I would definitely invest into a spot-free water system. And as well, get yourself in a shaded area. You don't have to worry about it at all. There's some spots that I wish I could have used pre-rinse to get this dirt off. Nonetheless, we'll just take care of it after. It's asking us to do the inside now, and what it wants us to do is
remove any trash and personal items from the car. Vacuum the seats, carpets, and floor mats thoroughly.
Okay. All right. Gotta make sure this thing works.
Use an upholstery brush to loosen and remove dirt and debris from fabric surfaces.
So typically I would like to use a Tornador, but it's instructing us that we could use a brush for all the dirt and debris on fabrics though. Not on any plastics or leather, it just says fabric.
Clean the dashboard, center console, and other hard surfaces with an interior cleaner and microfiber cloth.
Okay, all right. So just interior cleaner and microfiber cloth. It's like we're doing a wipe down, pretty much.
Use glass cleaner and a clean cloth to clean the windows and mirrors.
Didn't look too bad or too good either way, but now it just wants us to move on to the windows, and that's what we're pretty much doing. Definitely does say to do all mirrors and windows, so that's a good thing. Did the windows. Now for the final touches, it is saying
final touches. Apply wax or polish to protect and enhance the car's paint. Follow the instructions on the product for best results.
All right, we didn't even decon the car or anything. All we did was pretty much scrub it. Usually I don't want to put anything that like polish or wax on it if it's not decon, but I'm pretty sure I could just put on some spray wax and it should be fine. Shouldn't be too bad. Ugh, I hate feeling it like that. It's like soft, but you can still feel how it's all rough. Eugh. This car washero status right here. Don't worry guys, we're gonna polish this car soon. We're also trying one of our new products that we're gonna be doing. We're just in the testing phase, seeing exactly how this stuff works. For it being a dirty car, it is giving it a smooth feel to it. No streaks either. Can't believe I'm actually trusting a like robot to tell me what to do on the car. The robot doesn't even see the car or anything. Or like, how does he even know any of this stuff? It's not too bad of like what it's telling me actually, but would you guys trust the robot to tell you what to do? Comment down below.
Clean and shine the wheels using an appropriate wheel cleaner or polish.
So we're just gonna put the tire shine on, and then right after this, wants us to go ahead and check over the car, see if we missed any spots, and that's when we'll show you the finishing results. Taking the car outside now and looking at exactly how it looks. Yes, of course, the car wasn't in perfect condition. The car also needed more than just the regular wash. But to be quite honest, even on my regular express washes, it turns out way better than this. And seeing the condition of the way it is, honestly, AI sucks. It cannot tell me how to wash the car. It could definitely help me write a script. It could definitely help me do a video, but AI sucks because this car definitely needed a lot more than what was specified. We did the basics. Maybe you could get away with that stuff with just the regular maintenance car. Maybe you could get away with it with the car that's already cleaned up. But imagine you try to use the same method on all your clients, or even just learning about it. It was definitely a cool project to figure out, to see exactly how it would work. followed all the instructions, and this is what we got. Doesn't look too bad, but definitely not up to my standard. If you guys check on the inside, I usually wash the car last because I don't want to get it all dusty. So the inside looks all right. Definitely could have used brushes, torn door, just get into the details and crevices. And on the outside, it looks horrible because we did this first and then we did the inside. So with that, all this dust went up on the car. That's definitely no bueno. But all in all, I appreciate you guys watching, and you guys saw exactly how AI would have you wash a car or slash detail, because it wanted us to polish it too. But I said, no, we're gonna do a wax on it at least, or spray wax. But definitely do comment below, what should we have AI tell us to do next? Or comment as well, what type of videos you guys like to see. Thank you guys. Hector out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, as we're gonna be posting weekly. And stay tuned for the newest podcast that's gonna be out. And yeah, a lot of things coming in the works.